let's open up the file called BORTMAS. And BORTMAS is really the ordering of mathematical operations: brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So let's say I want to work out 2 plus 2 times 2. Alright, so let's go into Excel assignment. We say 2 plus 2 times 2. Great. Is that 6? Because 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So to correctly use this, we're going to say, okay, bracket 4, 2 plus 2, close our bracket, times 2, and there we go, we get our answer of 8. So remember, when you are doing calculations in Excel, always use BORTMAS, okay? If you want to guide, or if you want a specific function or specific mathematical formula to be followed, you're going to have to use brackets. Otherwise, Excel is really just going to go and it's going to say, okay, what is the order of operation? It is orders. Orders is the power of. Okay, is there any of that? No, there isn't. Move on. What's next? Division. Is there any divisions? No, there's not. Let's move on. Is there any multiplications? Yes, there is multiplications, and in our scenario there, it was 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and then it says what's next in BORTMAS? It's additions. We'll add the 2's, and then it will move on to the subtraction, and it will minus the 2, giving you obscure results when you are working with Excel. So don't just type information in Excel whichever wishy-washy way you want to. Always use the correct procedure by using brackets, and then the rest of BORTMAS will apply. And this is integral in using Excel correctly, as Excel is used predominantly for calculations of data as well as reporting of data. And if you just go willy-nilly and add the information as you say it, Excel is not going to work like that, and it's going to always apply BORTMAS. So you can take this BORTMAS example and you can play around with it. If you want to add, subtract, multiply, which way you want to do it. Please just always remember that Excel will use BORTMAS always. If you wanted to follow a specific train of thought, then you are going to have to use brackets.